Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your Voip settings. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Entity Settings tab. Please take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of a practice. Click on the Voip Settings panel to expand it. Tick the box to enable the Voip function on your system. The Voip password will be a unique password set up per entity to use the Voip function. This will be sent from your FCL. The trunk name is the name of phone lines that transmit calls over the internet. This will be set up by your FCL. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.